All right, we're going to reflect this triangle here, CDE, over x equals 3. And x equals 3 is that red line there. When you have x equals a number, it will be a vertical line, okay? Because every point on that line has an x value of 3. So for example, if I pick this point here, the x value is 3, but it's 3, 5. Okay, or if I pick a point down here, this point would be negative, or sorry, 3, negative 4. Okay, so but all the x values would be 3. So that's why it's a vertical line. And if it was horizontal, all the y values would be whatever the y value is, let's say 1. So a horizontal line that passes through 1 on the y-axis would be y equals 1. So keep that in mind if you come across the horizontal lines. But anyhow, so we're going to reflect over this guy. And as I discussed in one of the earlier videos I did, if you watched that, when you reflect over a line, okay, you do so that the image and pre-image, when connected, should be the same distance from that line. They should also be perpendicular, so you're reflecting straight across that line. Okay, so the distance in this case from C to the line of reflection is 2 units. So to get to C prime, we need to go 2 more units over this way, and there would lie your C prime, all right, the reflected version of C. All right, and we continue doing this. So D, for example, is 3 units away. So if we go 3 units over this way, there's your D prime. And one thing I forgot to mention is also if you take this line which connects those two, it should be perpendicular to our line of reflection, which in this case it is. So we're good. Now some people kind of get freaked out by E because E's already over there on that side of the line, but everything just flips to the opposite sides. So E is currently sitting 1 unit away from the line of reflection, and we need to go 1 more unit over to find E prime. Okay, I know I got a lot going on here, but just bear with me on that. So our image, okay, remember image is what comes after, okay, the pre-image is what we started with, okay, is this guy right here. All right, there you go.